Welcome to my channel, Catherine the Paint. Today I wanted to do a bloom technique on this little teapot. It has a lid. I have taped off one whole side and then the top and the handle. I don't want it to get on that. And I was hoping, it's a total experiment, but I want to paint blooms on here and then let it dry. And then I want to take this off and then do a bloom over here, hopefully. We shall see. That is what I'm hoping for. I'm hoping that it'll work out. But so today I'm going to do this side, then we're going to let it dry, and then I'll come back maybe tomorrow or the next day, depending on how dry it gets, and do this side. So let's get started. Today I am using primary elements, 4 different primary elements. I have Northern Lights, Azurite, Caribbean Mist, and Sea Glass. And I mixed up my own color with an Arteza Ultramarine Blue and a Phalo Green. So everything else is like all blingy, sparkly, and metallic-y. So I thought one matte color would do good. So here's the color I mixed together out of those two. Dark blue-green. All right, let's get to it. I have mixed all my paints are mixed with only the pouring medium, which is the polycrylic and the Sherwin Williams ULTRADEEP Base. So all the materials are listed below. I go into more detail on other videos if you want to check that out. All right, I'm going to put down the pillow paint. I don't know how many blooms I'm going to do. If I'm going to try one big one and then add some. Just kind of playing it by ear today. Let's see. I think I'm going to start with this really dark Azurite. Okay. There's a bubble right where I want to put my thing. All right. It's a curved surface, so I'm going to have to work fast. Next, does not stain where I'm putting it. Okay, this is tricky. All right, now we're going to put the topper on for the cell activator. Whoa, all right. All right, I'm going to chase this. Put some cell activator right here. Okay. These colors are gorgeous. Oh, hello. I forgot to put my cell activator. It's like, what are you going to blow on? All right. That looks like the ocean. That is so pretty. All right. I am going to put on more of the pillow paint to cover more of the teapot. And then I will put some more paint down. Yeah, this is just an experiment. So where I got this teapot was just from this dollar store that we have locally. It's called Dollar King, and you may have one near you. So everything's like $1.07 or something like that. I do it right there. I'm gonna wipe that off. Okay. There we go. Okay. So for $1.07, I thought, can't go wrong. Play with this and see how it works. And I don't know if you'll be able to do tea in it with the heat, but I'm going to resin it. So then I'm going to test it just to see. because I want to know. It could just be decoration, which is fine also. Okay, let's blow this again. I like how it's flowing this way, so it kind of looks like ocean more even than a bloom, which is right up my alley. Okay, let's see. Put some right there. Selectorator. Okay. I need 3 hands. I need more hands. All right. Well, it's looking really pretty so far, I think. I'm going to want it to run a little more this way. Maybe I should put some more on there. Oh my gosh, that is so, so pretty. Okay. All right, so for bloom and lacing, I wouldn't say this is the most bestest. I went back to just doing the floetrol and water in my white and didn't use any of the Minwax pre-stained wood conditioner. So that would account for that. But I'm loving how the colors swirl together, like really loving that effect. So I am okay that it doesn't have more lacing or cells this time. And I will go back to using the Minwax when I do want more cells. So, okay, I should stop blowing on it, huh? Okay, stop. I'm gonna stop. I promise, I'm stopping. I'm gonna flip this way. I think this will rest right here. That's all taped off, so that's not going to be a problem. So I also need a support for the handle, so right here. And I am going to leave this alone and let it dry for at least a day, and I will bring you in for the close-up. All right, here are some close-ups. Yeah, there's glare, but I want to still go ahead and get a little bit of this while it's wet, and then we can see it when it's dry when we do the other side. So I think it's really, really pretty. I love, it looks like a really emotional ocean to me. There we go. All right. Part 2 is coming up tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.